Alright Ji, today in this class we are here going to discuss about another conversion, which is if hexa number is given, so how will you convert it into binary number. In the previous lesson we discussed about if binary number is given, so how we will convert it into hexa number. So the pattern of hexa is the combination of letters and numbers. The first thing you need to remember, the combination of hexa is given in numbers and letters. In the letters, the range is A for 10 and B for 11 and C for 12 and D for 13, and it will be till F. Alright, this is the last digit will be 15. So in this case, the number is given, which is 4, which is 5 and which is A, and we have to convert it into in a binary format. So in our first lesson we learned about that how will you convert the denary number is given and you have to convert into binary. So we will simply take LCM and we will go for the division. 2 2s the 4 and the remainder is 0. The same thing is this, you will go for the 2 1s the 2 and the remainder is 0. So we will write down from bottom to the top 1 0 0. So we have write down 1 0 0, and the same thing is just to complete a bit we will add an extra 0 on its left side. Same thing is this for 5, we will take an LCM of 5, so we will get that 0 1 0 1. Here we can see A, which means that it is representing 10. Alright, as I told you that A is represented by 10, B is represented by 11 and C is represented by 12 and up to 13 and up to so on. Alright, so we will find out the binary of 10 over there, and we will same like divide it by 2, and again 2 5s the 10 and the remainder is 0 because it is fully divisible, and again we will go for the 2 to the 4 and the remainder is, it is not fully divisible, so 1 over there, and again we will go for 2 and 2 1s the 2. So here is the binary of number 10, which will be written from bottom to the top 1 0 1 0. So this is the way how will you write down how will you calculate if hexa number is given and you have to convert it into binary. Same another example is given, which is B and F and 0 and 8. So the firstly we need to know understand that what is the denary number of B. The denary number of B is represented by 11, so we will calculate the denary of 11 as well separately. So we will find 1 0 1 1. The same thing is this, you will find out the binary of 15 because F is represented by 15, and rest 0 0, it will gives you all the bits 0 and 8, that will be represented by 1 0 0, and now you can collectively write down all the bits over there. So this is the method of again conversion from hexa to binary. Hope so you get that. In case of any question, you just leave the question and I will definitely answer to your question.